Hey guys, how's it going today? This is Vader630 and this is an update tutorial on how to upload videos from Pinnacle Studio 14. And it is kind of the same as Pinnacle Studio 12. It is just the updated one. So from Pinnacle Studio 12 or 14, if you can figure out the differences between 14 and 12, to YouTube. I'm just going to take you through the recording on Pinnacle Studio 14 of the game, and then putting it into Windows Movie Maker, and then saving it to the desktop from Windows Movie Maker, and then if you want to, you can bring it into Sony Vegas, and then just upload it to YouTube from there. It is a very simple process. It does not take long, but one second guys. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so once you have this up and running, you're going to go to import if you're on Pinnacle Studio 14. I think it's the same thing as 12, but this part looks way different. So pretty much you're just going to want to set up your Dazzle to where it shows once this comes up. Any day now. Sorry, my computer is kind of slow. I'm on a laptop. I really don't have that much gigabyte left. Because Pinnacle Studio 14 takes up like 6 gigabyte, I think. Something like that. It takes up a lot of gigabyte. So my computer is very slow right now. I will start when it comes back up. Alright guys, so it is up now. So as you guys can see, this is me playing. So what you're going to do if you're on Pinnacle Studio 14, you're just going to go ahead and click Start Capture. As you guys can see, my computer is lagging a lot. Like, my cursor just like flies across the screen. Alright, so as you guys can see, it is now recording. So do whatever you want. Record for as long as you want. Just remember that the longer you do it, the longer it'll take to upload it to YouTube. So I'm just going to do a little sample one. That's just a sample. So you're just going to click Stop Capture. Wait for it. So then it should say Start Capture again, and that's when you know it's done. Just click Exit on this. Wait for this stuff to load again. And then whenever you named it, I just named my DFS just random letters. You're just gonna take this. It should be in scenes. If it's like really long, like a 10-minute video, then just go over. I do not know why it's doing that. Just go over and just click on Files. Then you should see it down here, and then just drag that in, and then it should just end up like that. Alright, so now that you have that, you're just gonna want to edit it. You can edit in here if you do not have Pinnacle, if you do not have Sony Vegas. Sorry, if you do not have Sony Vegas, you can just edit it right in there. Or if you have Sony Vegas, I'll just tell you when you can do that. So then, once you have it in your timeline and you did whatever you're gonna do to it, I'm not gonna do anything to it. Just make this go by faster. You're going to go to Make Me Movie. As you guys can see, I only have 9.30 gigabyte left, so I do not have a lot. You're going to go to Create File. I save all my files from here to the desktop just because it is the most, like, I don't know what the word is for it. It's just the most, it's the easiest way to get to it, you know? Like, on Windows 7, all you have to do is click there and you'll go right to the desktop. So you're going to save it whatever you want. I'm just saving mine as My Movie 2. Save it, and then this is gonna go. I'll be back in a minute when that's done. Alright guys, so now that it's done, here's what the show desktop thing does. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Shit, alright, so as you can see, it is now right here. Oh, she's hot. Anyway, so it's right there, My Movie 2. So now what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and Shit, did I fucking exit out? Oh shit, it's still going. Oh, my bad guys. Actually out of the wrong thing. You can close that at Pinnacle Studio 14 if you're done recording. And now you're just gonna wanna go to Windows. Oh fuck me. Windows Movie Maker. Mine is weird. I don't like mine. Windows Live Movie Maker, that's what's mine called. Alright, so yours might be different. Just go to Windows Movie Maker or whatever you want to use to edit it. I use Windows Movie Maker. I rarely edit my videos. God, I'm stuttering so bad. So you're going to open up Windows Movie Maker, and then you're going to want to go to, and I'm not 100% sure if you can upload this thing. Fuck. If you can upload this, right to YouTube. I'm not 100% sure on if you can or if you cannot, but I guess you guys can try. So now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go to, actually, yeah, you just want to go to open project. I know, it's not what I wanted to do. Fuck. You're going to click here. This is different. You guys might have a different one, so just try to figure out how to get that video into Windows Movie Maker. Double click it, and it should be in there. So now that you have it in there, I really don't have anything to edit with it, so you're just going to go to here, you're going to go to Save Project As. Desktop, I'm just going to go ahead and save it as My Movie 2 again, so I don't have to delete it. Alright, and then just save. What the fuck? Alright. You know what? Fuck it. 1 second, guys. Alright, here we go. I'm sorry. Okay, what you're going to do, I totally just messed that up. You're going to want to go to Publish Movie. And then you're going to want to go to YouTube, if you're going to upload it to YouTube. Choose whatever size that it has. So if you're, from me, this one, I'm probably going to render as 1280 by 720 because that's my screen size, so it will be in HD. But this one, I'm just going to go ahead and do it as that. Remember, you see how the higher HD you do it, the more space it takes up. So you just want to click that. Like I said, I haven't really used this that much, so just bear with me here. Well, I guess you guys can just do this then, whatever. So pretty much just go ahead and sign in with your username. I guess I'll just go ahead and do it for you guys. Go ahead and sign in. Title it. Well, we will title it Test. Test. Select the category, permission, whatever, and then publish it. So yeah guys, 1 second, I'll be back in a minute once this is done. Alright guys, so then once it's all done, it should come up with this. Then I guess you just click Watch Online. Like I said, I have not used Windows Movie Maker for this yet. I really should have tried this out before I did this. Click on Watch Online, I guess. Anyway, guys, if you do not have Windows 7 and yours does not look anything like this, please just go to my other video, not this one. This is the updated one. Go back to the other one at this part where I left off uploading it in Windows Movie Maker. Go to that one, and that one has the old Windows Movie Maker, and it is on Windows Vista. This one's on Windows 7. So yeah, here it is, guys. There you go. And then you can just watch it. Change whatever you want. So yeah guys, that is kinda it for this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions, just message me. Let me just go through some stuff that might happen while you are doing this. Fuck. While you are recording on the Pinnacle, if you have Pinnacle Studio 14, while you're recording, underneath the time limit where it says where like how long you've been recording, if you look below that, it might say dropped frames. If it says that, that means if you're trying to do like a commentary for COD or something like that, that means the video will skip and the audio will be all fucked up. So how to change that, how to make it better to where you don't have as many dropped frames, it doesn't mess it up as much, is before you do that, you want to exit out of everything. Internet, exit out of that. Camtasia, exit out of that. Not have anything. And then another thing you can also do, you just click Control-Alt-Delete, and then you should come up with this. Well, I'm on Windows 7 again, but if you have like Windows Vista or just Windows XP, just do Control-Alt-Delete and it should come up with this, and you want to go to Services, and then anything that you do not need, you can just go ahead and stop it. So for instance, let me just find something that I do not need. Apple Mobile, I really do not need that. I do not have an Apple. So you're just going to want to go right click that and stop service. And that should stop it, and that will take so that there's not as much stuff running while you're recording. And that will reduce the dropped frames. That's kind of it, guys. So yeah, guys, any questions, like I said, just go ahead and message me. So that is it. Deuces.